of the terms, that's the product of x and y. So the coefficient of x and y, or the product of x and y, Pascal triangle gives us this coefficient. So once we get the coefficient, then we can just use binomial expansion to get it, all right? Then have x plus y. If it was 2, add up this middle term, then add 1 at the end. Then if it was 3, all right, add up this middle, 3, add this one, 3, introduce 1. Then if it is 4, all right, x plus y, power of 4, 1 plus 3 gives me 4, 3 plus 3 gives me 6, 3 plus 1 gives me 4, then add 1 also. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms for this expression. So now we have gotten the coefficient of each of the values of x. Now, what about the powers? Okay, we're going to see that now. Let's start. So we have 1 being the coefficient of the first product of x and y. All right, the product of x and y. Now the power of x, 4. Starting with 4, then the power of y is 0, okay? Now, for the next step, the power of x will be reducing by 1, and the power of y will be increasing by 1, like this. Now, the next coefficient will be what? 4. Then the product of x and y. Then x will be reduced by 1 to be 3, y will increase by 1. You can see that the sum of the power is always equal to the term you are expressing. Okay, then the next one will be what? The coefficient is 6. Then the product of x and y, x will reduce by 1, give you 2. Y will increase by 1, give you 2. All right. Then the next coefficient is what? 4. Now, the product of x and y again, x will reduce by 1, y will increase by 1 to become 3. Then the last one is 1. The product of x and y, x becomes 0, y becomes 4. All right. Now, the next thing we'll do here is to simplify this last stage. Now, 1 times x to the power of 4 is still x to the power of 4. Now, y raised to the power of 0 is 1. Timesing x, it still gives us what? X to the power of 4. Then plus 4, x to the power of 3. Then y is still 1. Then plus 6, x to the power of 2. Y to the power of 2. Plus 4, x to the power of 1. Y to the power of 3. And then finally, 1 times x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times y power of 4 still gives me y power of 4. All right. This is the expansion for this expression.